guys, it's Trev from Autophix Australia, and I'm making my way up to the Mundi Mundi bash, and I'm in a hire car or a hire van. I won't say what company it is, but yeah, I've got an engine light, so I'm not sure. I've been using this as an armrest because the van's not that luxurious. It's a Toyota scanner, but the beauty of my scanners is, although this is a Toyota scanner, it has standard OBD2 functionality. Now this is a Hyundai van and it's full of scanners, so there's a lot of scanners in here. I've got all the HEMA gear as well, so the van is chock-a-block with HEMA and Autophix gear. This one here I've been using as an armrest on top of my drone. I'll whack this on and have a look what's going on with this vehicle. I don't want to go any further in case there's something more dramatic going on. It's 4:10 p.m. and I've still got a little bit to go to Mildura, and I don't want it developing into anything more serious. So I'm going to whack the scanner on it. I'll actually hold the camera. It's in the phone holder at the moment in the quad lock. So let's have a look and see what's going on with this vehicle. This is first hand. I have got my my Zoleo here, so if I get in any real big problems, I've got my Zoleo. So I've always got backup communication. This is really important if you're going remote like Mundi Mundi Bash, Silverton. It's always good to have some kind of backup communication if it all turns to shit. Anyway, let's have a look and see what's going on with this car. Okay, so I found the OBD2 port. It had this plugged into it, which I'm guessing it's probably a tracker of some description. I don't know what it is. Looks like our dongle, but I'm going to plug the scanner into here and see what's going on with this vehicle. Okay, so I've plugged him in. Now, I'm not going to use the Toyota functionality on this. I have to get this in a better way so I don't get glare. I'm not going to use the Toyota functionality. I'm going to use the OBD2, which allows me on this Toyota scanner to use multi-brands. So let's have a look and see what it does. Go enter again. Read codes. Yes, we do. So it's got 2 ECUs on this van. Okay, fuel rail system pressure. So I've got 2 codes. 2 low bank 1, fuel rail system pressure. Okay. All right, I'm going to take a photo of that one there. I'm just going to turn the video off for a minute. As I've said in other videos, I think it's really important that we take photos of the original codes. So it's the same code, but it's not P0087. Okay, so I've taken a photo. I'm going to escape. Now I'm going to go to erase codes. Now remember, this is a Toyota scanner working on a Hyundai, so you can utilize it on other brands. So if you're traveling with a mate, you can actually use this on other vehicles. Clear, yes we will. Okay, we've got to turn engine on, engine off. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off. And we'll go okay. Okay. Alright, now we're going to go back to read codes. Okay, so I did go through the process there. It was a bit hard with one hand, but I'm going to just check for codes again. The vehicle has no codes. So the codes have cleared. That's the important part. Now what I might actually do, because I haven't done it, I might just check the other ECU. Yep, okay. So we've cleared codes. Now we'll turn the car on. So this all lights obviously. And our engine light has gone. Now this can happen any time, and it could be a limp mode, you know, like could be anything, but it's going to happen at any time and you just don't know when. I'm still remote now. I don't have phone service, but like I said, I do have my Zoleo. I do have coffee, which is a good thing. I stopped at Oyen and got coffee. The important thing is I was able to diagnose what the problem is, and now I'm going to stop in Mildura tomorrow and see some customers, so I'll probably go see Spud at Mallee Off-Road and show him the code, because I'm not a mechanic, but I'll show him the code and and we'll see if it comes back again as well as part of the whole experiment. But It can happen any time, and this is why everybody should be carrying an OBD2 scanner. You can see now in real time, I'm on my way up to the Mundi Mundi Bash. There I was, I've got a code. I was able to overcome the code. I could actually diagnose to see if it's something more drastic. I was able to clear it. Anyway, this is Trev, Autophix Australia. I'll dump this online tonight because this is real time, real life, OBD2, reasons why we should carry one. Anyway, this is Trev out. I'm going to get on my way to Mildura.